All right, you guys, so we have this beautiful Bentley Flying Spur. We got the wheels in. This is how it worked out. We got the Bentley wheels in, and then the car was basically silver gray. Called the customer, told the customer, listen, we don't like it like this. We need to change it up, and we need to do something completely different. You guys seen this car before? I think we had pictures before of it being gray or silver. We did a complete body wrap on this car with door jambs. We went satin black. Car had a lot of silver gray accents. Front grille was silver, everything was silver, door handles, the rear stuff was silver. So there's a lot of color on this car. So we did everything gloss black on that. We made it two-tone. The wheels are gloss black. We put the beautiful red paint in the Mansory wheels. Also the rings on the Mansory caps, we did red as well. We did actually black with red Bentley emblems in the front and the back. This thing's sitting on 22-inch wheels. We did a big change. Everything's done on this car, and the car is headed to the client's house. And that's it. You guys check this one out. You guys are gonna love it. This was a big change, actually. It really was a big change.
All right, guys, there we have it. The final days of the M5 build. Is complete. This car is finally going home to the client today. We just put on these beautiful brand new RDB custom wheels to match this beautiful full body wrap that we did. We did the full everything, jams, even a couple of pieces that were old and the rubbers that were not so new anymore. We got brand new, changed them out for new ones, and the car looks and feels brand new again. So this is going to the customer now. Hope he enjoys it, and on to the next builds. Now we are working on two Puro Songways. Both are getting the Venom kits. One of them is kind of like a painted kit with a little bit of exposed carbon. The other one is going to be the typical forged carbon kit. As you see, we have some parts all scattered around. Right here, it's got a little dusty there, but this is the factory diffuser painted to the body color. The Venom lower diffuser is going to be painted body color as well. And then we have some of the flares here painted body color. So this Puro Songway is going to be mostly body color with a little bit of carbon fiber, not forged, regular. So it's going to be different than all the other ones we've done. As you can see, more flares here painted. Here's a 1016 wide body Cullinan front bumper. This is going on a satin pearl white wrapped Cullinan that we're doing. Pan over here, we got this big old hood. This is the forged carbon hood. This is what's going on that Puro Songway. Primered the rest of it because we only like to expose the middle part. So we're going to be painting this black right now and exposing only the middle portion. Then it's going to go on the car. The rest of the forged carbon parts have been clear coated and all that, so that's done. Right now, Luis is putting on the rocker panels, which is very, very difficult. One of the most difficult parts on that car is the rocker panels. You have the door parts, and then you have the rocker panel that sits on the body as well. So it's a little tricky because the doors close into it. and the tolerance is very low and they touch each other if you don't do it right. So all that's going on there. More diffuser parts for the Per Songway. Right now in the booth, we have the body color Per Songway Venom parts that are getting painted. The diffuser, the hood, some other components, a lot going on there. And then we also have a Mansory Phantom kit getting done. This is the rear bumper. That's one of the fenders. All of that is getting prepped right now so we could paint it, clear coat it. And then this car is actually gonna get a wrap on top of it. This is gonna be the only Phantom Mansory I've seen in this color, and it is a 2027. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be badass. But yeah, like I said, there's a lot going on. Carlos is way back over there. He's working on a GT3 rear bumper. That car was in a heavy rear quarter panel accident, and we did a lot of work. It's almost done, so he's working on the rear bumper now. But that's just a glimpse of what's happening live right now in the back of RDV at the body shop.
This is not Venom.
Venom kit número
8.
8.
Venom kit número 8. The painter has a lot of work. The painter has a lot of work.
I know he's painting another kit right now.
What kit?
Another Venom.
Look what they did. No mames. Wow, finally they do something good.
Bro. This is the
Huh?
updated kit.
And
They're
the
making
old
it
ones-
more user friendly.
We have a brand new color right here. This is actually a black badge. You don't see too many new black badge colorings because they're very expensive. You're paying like 80 grand more than the regular one. A lot of people don't opt for that. But right now we have the front end off because we are going to be doing our signature black and orange in the grille because of the orange interior. We're not doing any body kit on this, but we are doing wheels, which are coming. And then we did this hand painted pinstripe right here. Normally we do these on the Mansory cars or whatnot, but this time we did it not a Mansory car. This is actually the customer's name. He's a very, very popular big Persian singer. Very proud that we're doing this job for him. Like I said, the wheels are coming. It's gonna have his name on the wheels too. So it's gonna have all the black and orange theme. We could do all that custom work too for customers. It doesn't have to be Mansory or wide body or whatever. We could do the typical stuff too and still make it look really cool. Anything you guys want, we could do it. All right, we have a VIP client right here that unfortunately was recommended to another shop. And the problem with recommendations is you have to find a person that recommends the guy that's recommending where it's going, because nowadays everybody's full of shit. This Urus right here, it has a wrap on it. The bumpers are removed as well as some other stuff, but that's about it. This car sat at another shop not too far from here for 4 months. Was supposed to get a full body kit. The body kit was never, ever even ordered.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Customer paid up front for everything. He's doing a full interior job. Interior was not done. The seats were removed only. But yeah, all they did is remove parts and do this wrap, which he also wants to change the wrap now because the wrap is not good. We're gonna have to take over this and save the car. It's gonna get a full wide body kit, wheels, new wrap, interior, all that stuff. They kind of messed with the wrong guy because this guy's very, very big right now in the scene, and it's not cool to take advantage of people like that. So I'm not gonna name any names, but maybe eventually they will or something. But it's a shop that's on social media, has another very, very well-known McLaren sitting there for forever with a lot of issues, well-known girls car. But yeah, so this, we're gonna save it.